Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome header section with a smooth page load animation. Let me quickly refresh the page so you can see how these watermelon slices slide in from all directions and seamlessly move behind this watermelon juice can. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. We also have two more sections, a marquee text with a scrolling effect and a featured section with 3 stylish boxes. The best part? Everything is built using Wix Studio, and you don't need any coding skills to make it happen. Oh, and before we dive in, these 3 sections are already available on our website. They're fully responsive, so you can simply purchase them and use them on any Wix website project. Alright, let's get started. The screen you see here is called the Wix editor. First, we need to add a new section. To do that, simply click on the Add Section button. Once the section is added, make sure to disable Apply Max Width. This ensures that our section spans the full width of the screen across all devices. Next, click on the plus icon in the top left corner, go to Containers, and drag an empty container onto the editor. Now, under the Responsive Behavior dropdown, select Stretch. This setting makes sure our container expands to cover the entire section properly. Alright, now, let's add a background gradient to our section. To do this, click on the color icon under the background settings. Then, select Gradient, it's the second option. From the drop-down, choose Radial to create a smooth circular gradient effect. For the first color, click on the color box. Then select Add Color to enter a custom color. In my case, I'll use D42253. Once you've entered the hex code, click Apply to set the color. Next, we need to add the second gradient color. Go back to the color picker, select the second color box, and click Add Color again. This time, I'll enter F54F7D as the hex code. After selecting the color, hit Apply to confirm. And that's it, you can now close the color picker. Our section now has a beautiful gradient background. Now, if you want, you can increase the height of this section slightly to give it more space. Just adjust it to your preference. Alright, that looks perfect. Now, if you look at the demo, you'll notice that the small watermelon pieces animate in from all directions and move behind the juice can. Let's start by creating this animation. First, we need to upload the watermelon piece image. Here's how. Click on Add Element in the Wix editor. Under Quick Add, drag the image element onto the editor. Click Change Image to replace it with our watermelon piece. In the pop-up, click Upload Media. Then select Upload from Computer. Choose your watermelon image and click Open to upload it to Wix. Once uploaded, hit Update button to add it to your site. Now, you might notice the image looks a bit cropped. Simply click on the settings icon, open the drop-down under Display Mode, and select Fit to Bounding Box. As you can see, the image is now displayed without any cropping. Next, let's shrink it down and place it in the center of the container. Perfect, now that our image is in place, we're ready to animate it. Now, let's animate this watermelon piece and make it slide onto the screen just like in the demo. Select the image, then click on the Animations and Effects icon on the right side. Under Entrance, click the Add button. You'll see a list of animation effects. In my case, I will choose Glide for a smooth sliding effect. Now, click on Adjust Animation to fine-tune the settings. For direction, set it to 180 degrees so the watermelon piece moves in from the bottom direction. In Distance box, increase this to 110%. This ensures the image starts completely off-screen before sliding in. Make sure to enable Start from off-screen so the piece enters smoothly from beyond the canvas. For duration, set it to 1 second for a natural movement. Since this is the first image, we don't need a delay, so keep it at 0 seconds. For easing, the default ease in out cubic is perfect. This makes the animation start slow, speed up in the middle, and slow down again at the end, giving it a polished, professional look. Once that's done, hit Preview to check out the animation in action. Now, if you check the demo again, you'll notice multiple watermelon pieces moving around. To save you some time, I'll quickly duplicate the image and keep the same glide animation, but I'll tweak the direction and delay for each one. This way, they'll appear at different times and from different angles, making the effect look even more dynamic. While I'm setting up the animations for all the watermelon pieces, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you're enjoying the tutorial. It really helps out and lets me create more videos like this for you. Alright, I've now added animations to all the watermelon pieces. The only difference is that each piece has a different direction angle and a slightly different delay to make the animation look more natural. Now, go ahead and click the preview button to see them in action. Looks pretty cool, right? Now go back to the editor so that we can add the watermelon juice can. To do this, click on the plus icon. Then under Quick Add, drag the image element onto the editor. Click on Change Image. And as you can see, I've already uploaded the juice can image. Just select the image and click on Update. Now, all we need to do is to resize the image and position this right above the watermelon pieces to make them appear as they're sliding behind it. Let me quickly adjust the juice can. And just like that, we're bringing this design to life. Now, let's add some text to complete the design. Click on the plus icon again, and drag the title element onto the editor. Alright, under font, you can choose any style you like. In my case, I'm going with lobster for a bold, stylish look. Click on the color box and change the text color to white so it stands out. Next, adjust the font size to 30 pixels for better visibility. Now, let me quickly add a paragraph below the title. You can also update the color and adjust the size to match your design. Now, if you check the demo again, you'll notice a small rotating watermelon piece next to the title. Let's go ahead and add that effect. Click on the plus icon and drag the image element onto the editor. Change the image to the watermelon piece, just like we did earlier. Let me quickly resize it and make it smaller so it fits nicely next to the title. Alright, now let's add the animation to the watermelon piece. To do that, go to Animations and Effects. Under Loop, click the Add button. From the list, select Spin to make the watermelon piece rotate continuously. You can also adjust the animation settings by clicking on Adjust Animation, but for now, I'll leave it as it is. As you can see, we have added the animation to the watermelon piece. Now select everything: the title, text, and watermelon piece. Right-click and choose Place in Container to keep everything grouped. Now, let me quickly duplicate the whole text container and place another one on the right side of the juice can for balance. Alright, now, click on Preview, and you'll see a beautiful hero section with smooth animations. You can also add a cool effect where the header overlaps with the hero section. Here's how you can do it. Go back to the editor. Select the header. Then click on the Scroll Effects drop-down. Choose Disappear from the list. Under Overlap, select Next Section to make it blend smoothly with the hero section. Now, click on Preview, and you'll see the header seamlessly overlapping with the next section, giving your design a clean, modern look. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome Wix tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.